hands, or as a kid did you mostly just think about offense?
I always thought about offense. Defense is just an effort thing, and knowing the scheme, how your team wants to play. I mean, as a kid, I just thought about blocking shots. That's all I wanted to do as a kid, was try to block shots. But you didn't know about help, you didn't know about sliding your feet, standing in front of your man. I didn't. I just worked on my offensive game. But as you get to this level of basketball, you start more than important to team defense to help you pull it out. So I'm still learning.
So at what point did you start to think of yourself as a defender?
Well, in college, my coach in college, Coach Barnes, he really got into me a lot about how bad my defense was, and I wanted to be a complete player, and I wanted to impress my teammates and my coaches out there on the floor. So, once I got to college, I started to realize the importance of defense. And then when I got to the league, you're losing so many games, and you want to establish yourself as a player. It's not your number one priority. And for me, early on in my career, I just wanted to be aggressive as a scorer. I wanted to go out there and let people know who I was on the offensive end. And then once I started winning games, I had to realize that I got to do both. So it's been about 4 or 5 years now that I've been going to more defense than offense.
Okay, yeah, I did a number